If you grind your teeth at night, you need to hear this. Researchers studied the relationship between grinding your teeth in your sleep and sleep apnea. They evaluated sleep test results from over 700 patients, and they found that when they stopped breathing, their jaw muscles would tense and they would start grinding their teeth. This would bring the jaw forward and the tongue with it and alleviate the obstruction. Nearly all patients who were subsequently put on CPAP machines saw a total resolution of their sleep grinding. Grinding your teeth at night could be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea, and if you grind your teeth in your sleep, getting a home sleep test is a really easy way to rule out any potential sleep and breathing related issues.